Today, I had the pleasure of being welcomed into a Chinese home of a Chinese chef to witness him cook. I wasn't able to capture my arrival to the house, but I began filming as soon as the cooking commenced. We are starting with a beloved staple of Chinese comfort cuisine. In Chinese, it is called Shihonshi Chaojidan, which is tomato and scrambled eggs. Shihonshi Chaojidan holds a special place in Chinese households, and it is cherished for its simplicity, warmth, and nourishing qualities. This iconic dish, made from fresh tomatoes, eggs, oil, and light seasoning, harmoniously blends the sweet, tangy richness of tomatoes with the soft, tender texture of scrambled eggs. I guess this is the perfect moment for us to learn some new Chinese words. Our new words for today would be hong and jidan. Hong means red, and it can be found in the word shihongshi. Shihongshi means tomato. Shihongshi. And you know tomatoes are red, so that's where the red comes in. Our second word for today is jidan. Jidan. Ji in Chinese means hen. H-E-N, hen. And dan means egg. So jidan means the egg of a hen. Jidan. So today our new words are hong, which is red, and jidan. Though its ingredients are few, the flavors are anything but ordinary. The tomatoes are stir-fried to release their juices, creating a savory, slightly tart sauce, while the eggs are gently scrambled to retain their delicate softness. Some families, such as the one we are in now, add a touch of sugar to balance the acidity or a dash of soy sauce to enhance the umami. For many in China, this dish evokes childhood memories, as it is a quick, affordable, and versatile meal that pairs perfectly with rice. While each family may have their own personal twist, the heart of the dish remains the same: a comforting, wholesome bowl of love shared at the table.
这是土豆吗？
这是茄子。
茄子啊。
对。
Once the shihonshi jidan was ready and set aside, we moved on to prepare our second dish of the evening, jiaqiezi, which is fried eggplant. Jiaqiezi is another delight in Chinese cuisine where eggplant is transformed into a crispy, flavorful dish. The eggplant is sliced and coated in batter or flour, then fried until golden brown and perfectly crunchy on the outside while remaining soft and tender inside. It is a wonderful contrast to the light, tangy shihonshi chaojidan, bringing a heartier, richer element to the meal. While we waited for the jiaqiezi to finish frying, we prepared another meal, tudose, a dish made with slender matchstick cut potato strips. The potatoes were first lightly fried and then cooked with seasonings, giving them a savory, flavorful taste and a slightly crunchy texture. This dish added a nice balance to the meal, and I think it's really complemented the crispy eggplant and the light, fluffy tomato and eggs.
这个才是它的。这是一个裙子，你用的是啥裙子？
Finally, the chef prepared chow yoro, stir-fried beef, a classic dish packed with flavor. It was a wonderful experience to cook and share these delicious meals, and I am so grateful for the chef's kindness and hospitality. Even though I didn't record us eating because the meals were too good, really good, the flavors and memories will stay with me. Thank you for joining me on this special food journey in China. See you in the next video.